Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to insert a calendar within your spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all you have to do is set up something real quick. We need to activate the Developers tab within our Excel program. To do so, all you have to do is go to the File tab on the upper left corner of Excel and go to Options below and go to Customize ribbon. Once you do so, you should be able to see the Developer tab on the right side of the window. Just click on the checkbox and click OK. Once you do so, a Developer tab should appear on the top part of Excel. Once you click that, go ahead and go to the Add-ins group and click on the Add-ins button. Now that we've opened that, we should be able to see this window right here. All we have to do is go to the Office Store. Now that we're in here, let's go ahead and search for Calendar. You can pick any calendar that you want, but for now, let's choose the most famous and high-rated one, which is this mini calendar and date picker. Let's just click the Add button beside it. Press Continue, and voila! The calendar should appear just right in the middle of your spreadsheet. You can drag it anywhere you like by left-clicking any part of its border and holding it while dragging it anywhere you want. Let's drag it beside our data. Now, there are several options for our calendar. We can either highlight range of dates, show the week numbers by clicking on it, change the calendar system to anything that we want, and we can even change the calendar theme, as you can see right here. Let's choose a similar color to our table. Now that we're done, we can explore what we can do with this calendar. We can input specific dates by clicking on a blank cell. And then, once we do so, just go and click any date in the calendar. If ever you have a deadline somewhere in August 20, just go ahead and click August 20, and it should overwrite anything that's written on your deadline cell. Same can be said to the others. Let's say September 24 and December 25. Once we're done, we can either delete the calendar itself by pressing on the backspace key on your keyboard. And there we have it. In order to bring up the calendar again, all you have to do is go to the Add-ins button and click on the mini calendar right here and press Add. And there we have it. This is how we insert the calendar in Microsoft Excel.